Mom? Why are you awake so early?
I need to go to the hospital, Lina. I am in a little hurry today.
The hospital? Is something wrong? Is Dad okay?
Your dad is fine. He is sleeping upstairs. It is about Grandma.
Grandma? Is she sick? Why didn't you tell me before?
She felt a little weak last night, so the doctors want to check her heart.
Is that bag for her? What did you put inside?
It has her hairbrush, some warm socks, and her favorite book.
Wait, Mom! She needs one more thing. She needs me too.
Lina, it is very cold outside, and the hospital is not a place for playing.
I am not going to play, Mom. I just want to hold Grandma's hand.
That is very kind of you, Lina. But are you really awake now?
Yes, Mom. I am fully awake. Please let me come and help you.
Okay, you are a very caring girl. Go and get your sweater.
Yay! I will be ready in 1 minute. Please don't leave without me.
I won't. But we must be very quiet so we do not wake your dad.
Okay, Mom. I am a quiet little mouse. Let's go. Mom, the road looks so empty today. It feels a little strange.
Yes, it is still very early, so most people are sleeping now.
I feel sleepy, but I am also a little nervous about Grandma.
That is normal, Lina. When we love someone, we worry about them.
Do you think Grandma is in pain right now?
The doctors are taking care of her, so she is not alone.
I wish I could make her smile when I see her.
Just seeing you will already make her very happy.
Should I tell her about my new drawing from school?
Yes, she loves hearing about your school stories.
I will also bring her a hug. A big and warm one.
That is the best medicine sometimes, more than any tablet.
Mom, were you scared when the doctor called you last night?
Yes, a little, but I stayed calm because Grandma needs us strong.
I want to be strong like you, Mom.
You already are strong, Lina, in your own beautiful way.
When we reach the hospital, can I walk beside you?
Of course. We will walk together slowly and quietly.
Okay, Mom. I am ready now, even if my heart feels small and fast.
That is bravery, Lina. Feeling scared but still moving forward.
Mom, this place feels very different from outside.
Yes, hospitals are quiet because many people are resting here.
I can hear machines and small footsteps everywhere.
Those sounds mean the doctors and nurses are working.
Should I talk softly here?
Yes, Lina, soft voices make the place peaceful.
Mom, where is Grandma's room?
Let me ask the nurse at the desk first.
Mom, do the doctors ever sleep? They look very busy.
They work in shifts. Some sleep during the day, and some sleep at night.
So the hospital never sleeps?
Never. There is always someone awake to take care of the patients.
That is good. Grandma won't be scared at night if someone is watching her. Mom, what if Grandma looks very tired?
Then we will smile softly and sit beside her.
I want to make her feel safe, like she makes me feel.
That is very sweet of you, Lina.
I think Grandma will be happy when she sees us together.
Yes, our love will reach her before our words do.
Okay, I am ready now. Let's go and see Grandma.
Excuse me, nurse. We are here to see my mother, Mrs. Rosa. Good morning. Yes, I can help you. What is your name, please? I am her daughter, Anna. This is my daughter, Lina. Nice to meet you, Lina. You look very caring.
Thank you, nurse. Is my grandma okay now?
She is resting, dear. The doctor has checked her already.
Is she feeling better than before?
Yes, she is feeling more comfortable now. Can we go and see her, please? Of course, but please be gentle and speak softly.
I promise I will be very quiet.
That is good. Your grandma will be happy to see you. Which room is she in? Room number 12, near the window.
Near the window? She likes sunlight very much.
Yes, we chose that room for her comfort. Thank you so much for your care. You are welcome. Family love helps patients heal faster.
Then we will give her lots of love today.
I am sure you will. Now you may go in. Come, Lina. Let's see Grandma.
Yes, Mom. I am ready. Grandma, it's me. I came to see you.
Lina, my little sunshine, you really came.
How are you feeling now, Mom? I feel better after seeing you both. My heart feels lighter.
I brought your favorite book and your warm socks.
Oh, you always remember small things. That makes me happy.
Are you feeling any pain now, Grandma?
Just a little tired, dear. But I am not afraid anymore.
The nurse said you are doing well. The doctor will come again soon.
That is good to hear. Hospitals are less scary with family around.
Can I sit near you and hold your hand?
Of course, my child. Your hand feels very warm.
I will sit here and read your book slowly.
I would love that. Your voice makes me feel peaceful. You are very brave today, Lina.
Grandma is brave too. We are brave together.
Yes, together is always stronger.
You need to rest now, Mom.
I will rest happily because you are here.
I will not go anywhere. I am right here with you.
Thank you, my dear. This is the best medicine for me.
Good morning, Mrs. Rosa. How are you feeling now?
Good morning, doctor. I am feeling much better today.
That is nice to hear. Your heart is responding well to the medicine. Does that mean she will be okay soon? Yes, she is improving. But she needs rest and care for a few days.
Doctor, can Grandma come home soon?
Not today, little one, but very soon if she continues like this.
I will remind her to take rest and drink water.
That is very helpful, Lina. Good helpers make patients strong.
See, doctor? I have my own little nurse now. Then I have nothing to worry about.
Thank you, doctor, for taking such good care of her.
It is my duty and also my pleasure.
Doctor, will Grandma be able to walk in the garden again?
Yes, she will, but slowly and carefully.
I will walk slowly, but I will surely walk again.
That is the spirit. I will come again in the evening. We will be here. Thank you again. Take care, everyone.
Lina, it is getting late now. We should go home.
Already, Mom? I want to stay a little more with Grandma.
My dear, you must listen to your mother and go home.
But I feel sad to leave you alone here.
I am not alone, Lina. The nurses and doctors are here with me, and we will come again tomorrow morning.
Really, Mom? You promise?
Yes, I promise. We will bring fresh fruits for Grandma too.
And I will be waiting for my sweet visitors.
Grandma, take rest and don't forget your medicine, okay?
I will not forget. You are watching me now.
Yes, I am your little reminder.
Come, Lina. Let Grandma sleep now.
Okay, but only after one more hug.
Always one more hug for you.
I love you, Grandma. Get well soon.
I love you too, my child. Go safely.
We will see you tomorrow, Grandma.
I will be waiting with a big smile.
Mom, today I felt a little sad, but also very happy.
That is because love brings both feelings together.
I was sad to leave Grandma, but I am happy she is getting better.
Yes, sometimes we must leave, but love stays in our heart.
When Grandma smiled, I felt strong inside.
That smile is her way of saying she is brave.
I want to be brave like her when I grow up.
You already are brave, Lina, in your own small ways.
Tomorrow, I will bring her more apples and maybe a flower.
She will love that very much.
Mom, hospitals are not scary now. They are places of hope.
That is a beautiful thought, Lina.
I will always remember today.
And today we'll always remember you.
Today, Lina showed us that love is not only in big actions, it is also in holding hands, giving hugs, and caring words. Even in a hospital, kindness can make hearts feel warm. When we care for our elders, we learn the true meaning of love. Always be kind, always be gentle, and never forget to share love. Thank you for watching this simple story. Keep learning English with us, and see you in the next video. Like, share, subscribe to Beginner English Zone.